Hello, class. I got some questions about this homework question. So this is area between curves number 4. So the question is, find the area bounded by these 3 lines. And it encourages you that it's helpful to first sketch the graph, which is a wise thing to do because it helps you visualize what's going on. So y equals x and y equals 2x are both lines of positive slope through the origin, with 2x having a steeper slope. So I'll draw this like that. And then y equals minus x plus 2 is a negatively sloped line with y-intercept at 2, so it's going to look something like that. And so the region we're looking at is this triangle in here. Okay, so we want to know what the area of this triangle is. And so we need to do this by utilizing our area between curves formula. And so you might recall that our area between curves formula calls for us to integrate from sum A to sum B, the top curve minus the bottom curve. In order to figure out where those things are, I need to go ahead and find the coordinates of these two intersections. So let's go ahead and do that. This intersection over here is at 0, 0, so I don't really have to do much work for that one. So this one is where x is equal to minus x plus 2, so 2x is equal to 2, so x is 1. Okay, so this is at x equals 1. The next one is where 2x is equal to minus x plus 2, so 3x is 2, so x is 2/3. That's that one. And so what I have to realize here is that really this triangle is two pieces where this graph, the y equals 2x graph, is on top and the y equals x graph is on the bottom from 0 up to 2/3. And then from 2/3 all the way over to 1, it is the y equals minus x plus 2 graph that's on top and the y equals x graph that's on bottom. So I'm going to break this into two pieces. So there is area 1, here is area 2. And so area 1 is going to be the integral from 0 to 2/3 of 2x minus x dx. Again, that curve, which is the one on top, minus that curve, which is the one on bottom, of x dx, which is x squared over 2. Evaluated as x goes from 0 to 2/3. Is 1/2 times 4/9, which is 2/9. So that is my first area. This area over here is 2/9. Next, for area 2, we have the integral from 2/3 to 1 of now minus x plus 2 minus x dx, which is the integral from 2/3 to 1 of 2 minus 2x dx, which is 2x minus x squared, evaluated as x goes from 2/3 to x equals 1. Which if I go ahead and just pull a random sheet of scratch paper up here to finish that, that will end up being equal to 2 minus 1. That's what I get when I plug in x equals 1, minus 2 times 2/3 minus 4/9. And so this is 1 minus, and then this is 4/3 minus 4/9. Okay, so doing a little fraction stuff, this is 1 minus 12/9 minus 4/9. So this is 1 minus 8/9. So this is 1/9. the end of the day. That was my A2. And so then what's the total area? The total area is the sum of the first area and the second area. So the total area is 2/9 plus 1/9, which is 1/3. All right, again, you might have slightly different numbers, but you want to do the same thing when you set down to do this. You want to find the intersections, break up your region into areas that you can use the area between curves formula to calculate. All right, I'll wrap up this office hours video here, but let me know what your next questions are, and I will be happy to answer them. But until next time, be well.